What's going on, guys? This is Jake here with AirSense Environmental. We are a radon testing and mitigation company here in the Metro East. We're here at a home in Calhoun County today that we recently did a very successful testing and mitigation on. And we're going to take an opportunity today to just talk to you more about radon testing and mitigation. So as you may or may not know, radon is an odorless, tasteless, invisible gas that occurs in different volumes and concentrations all around the country, but more specifically here in the Metro East where we test and mitigate. The EPA says that anything above a 4.0 level, which is measured in picocuries per liter of air, should be mitigated as their action level. Anything between a 2 and a 4 is a recommended, and anything below a 2 is up to you, but it's worthy to note that the EPA says that there is no safe level of radon concentration inside of your home. And so as we walk around today, we're going to show you the system that we installed. We're going to talk about testing, we're going to talk about mitigation, and we're going to talk about how we can help you and serve you here in the Metro East area. All right, so we're up in the attic now. This is where the fan is located. This is the heart of the system. One of the things that we take a lot of pride in is we work hand in hand with homeowners to make these systems as discreet as possible. You hear a lot of horror stories of these being mounted to the outside of the home. They're such an eyesore. And so we're going to work hand in hand with you to figure out where the best place for this fan is. This is what does all the work to take those radon gases out from under your foundation before they can get into your home and expel them outside the house. You can see here, this one has an exhaust out the top. It runs back to this roof line here, and then it goes out and it penetrates through the roof and expels that gas outside of the home. We're in the basement here, and this is after system design. This is where every system that we install begins. But underneath the concrete, we've dug a suction pit, 15 gallons of substrate we pulled out of here, which leaves a pit under the ground, and that's where that air gas has a chance to accumulate before we suck it out. And so the wider you can get those pits, the better. They allow more gas to accumulate and more system effectiveness from you. So every system, every good system begins with a good suction pit and a coring hole down through the basement floor. The great thing about testing is that it's a very simple process. We use very high-tech monitors. We monitor over a 48-hour period, and those test results come back to you in hour-by-hour data points, and so you can see highs and lows. You can have the peace of mind to know whether your home is below the action level or if you need to mitigate, and we can help from there as well. One of the most important factors of doing a mitigation system and making sure that that system is effective in the home is post-mitigation testing. You're going to see throughout this video here that we did pre-mitigation testing, we did our mitigation system, and then we post-tested afterwards. We have those results. We're going to show them to you in the video so you can see the drastic change in radon concentrations inside this home. And so we want to encourage everybody, always post-test. If you're the buyer of a home and the seller put a system in to satisfy that contractual agreement, please reach out. We want to post-test. We want to make sure that your system is operating in its maximum effectiveness so that you have a safe home environment.